Hey there, I'm Luke the Cooking Camper. Zena the Glamper Camper does not like the rain very much, so she is all bundled up. But we just wanted to show you this crazy delicious snack. I just sampled these at Costco and I had to get a bag. These are the organic Real Snack Solutions Lorissa's Kitchen Original Tender Beef Steak Strips. Super, super good. These steak strips are obviously all organic, and it just says they are tender beef bites seasoned in a simple blend. And then it does say that they are smoked also. They are super, super delicious, gluten-free, grass-fed beef, USDA organic, only 80 calories for an ounce. And this is a pretty big container. I got it on sale. It was $11 after tax. It is 12 ounces. So that's pretty cheap for beef jerky, especially an organic beef jerky. Let's open them up so Mr. Cameraman can take a taste and I can eat more. The one thing I found was interesting is I guess this isn't technically beef jerky, it's steak strips. So after you open it, you are supposed to refrigerate it. I don't know if you're supposed to refrigerate other beef jerky, but I never have.
What does it say that?
Right on the, it says refrigerate after opening.
Oh, that's strange. Never heard of that.
And they are really big pieces, but they are super, super, super tender.
Give me it.
They're so good.
Usually don't like steak or beef jerky, so. That's pretty good.
It's so soft. It's the softest beef jerky I've ever had.
Seasoning's good.
Yeah, I love the smoked flavor. What is this? Do you want to try a piece?
I'd say they make good dog treats, maybe a little bit on the expensive side.
Zena likes them.
Well, who wouldn't like steak?
Is that delicious? It's so soft that Zena is able to just take bites off of this big piece and eat them. Is that delicious? Is that the best steak you've ever had?
Well, it's probably similar to certain dog treats, just a lot higher quality. They make that jerky stuff for dogs.
I mean, I have never seen a jerky that she would be able to just rip apart like that.
Like that?
Was that good?
Fun for the whole family, including your dogs. That good?
Well, you definitely have to try out these Lorissa's Kitchen Original Tender Beef Steak Strips, seasoned and smoked. Super, super delicious. Like I said, I did get these at Costco. Well, if you like this video, make sure to give us a big thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to hit that bell so that you see the next time me and Zena upload a new video, and the next time me and Zena and Mr. Cameraman try out a new snack. Get out and enjoy nature and food as much as we do. Have a great one.